friends, welcome to Study and Quizzy Planet. Take general knowledge quiz and score 30 out of 30 in this quiz. Let's go. How old is the Earth? .5 billion years. What is the name of the supercontinent that existed 300 million years ago? India. Which gas was least abundant in Earth's early atmosphere? Oxygen. What event led to the formation of the moon? Collision with Theia. The first solid crust on Earth was mostly made of granite. What is the name of the geological time scale unit before the Phanerozoic eon? Precambrian. The oldest known rocks on Earth are around 4 billion years old. What was the primary source of heat inside the early Earth? Radioactive decay. The first oceans on Earth formed from comet impacts. What is the name of the layer of gases surrounding the Earth? Atmosphere. When did the first simple life forms appear? .5 billion years ago. What was the first type of life on Earth? Bacteria. The first oxygen-producing organisms were cyanobacteria. Which event dramatically increased oxygen levels on Earth? Great Oxygenation Event. The earliest multicellular organisms appeared in which era? Proterozoic. What is the Cambrian explosion? Sudden appearance of many life forms. Which group of animals were the first to move on to land? Arthropods. The first vertebrates appeared during which period? Ordovician. The first land plants evolved from algae. What is the term for the study of fossils? Paleontology. How many major mass extinctions have occurred in Earth's history? 5. What caused the mass extinction at the end of the Cretaceous period? Asteroid impact. Which mass extinction event was the largest? Permian-Triassic. Dinosaurs first appeared in which era? Mesozoic. What era is known as the Age of Reptiles? Mesozoic. Which group of animals evolved from dinosaurs? Birds. When did the first mammals appear? Triassic. The Ice Age occurred during which period? Quaternary. The first humans appeared around? $300,000 years ago. The first civilization appeared during which period? Holocene. Which scientist proposed the theory of continental drift? Wegener. What element is most abundant in Earth's crust? Oxygen. The Earth's core is mostly made of iron and nickel. What is the movement of continents over time called? Plate tectonics. Which geological process creates mountains? Tectonic activity. Which type of rock is formed from cooling lava? Igneous. The longest era in Earth's history is the Precambrian. What is the primary cause of earthquakes? Tectonic movement. What is the name of the supercontinent that existed before Pangaea? Rodinia. The first flying animals were insects. What is Earth's outermost layer called? Crust. The longest river in the world is? Nile. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting quizzes.